Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. So let's create something wonderful in today's video. Are you all ready for this? So let's first start with this craft. So here I have taken a paper cup and I have cut into strips and I'm making an octopus with this. Now let's proceed with another craft. Here I have taken a circle shaped paper and I have cut it like this. Then with this another circle shaped paper, I'm going to make this chick which is coming out of the egg. Now let's proceed with another craft. So here I have taken a straw pipe and let's cut it in this way. Now let's roll it and I'm going to make a snail out of this straw pipe. Now let's proceed with another craft. Here I have taken these circle shape papers and I'm making a snail. Now let's see what I'm going to make this time. So here I have taken a square shaped paper and I have folded it from all the sides like this. Now you have to open this and now fold it in this way and this talking toy is ready. Now let's proceed with this craft. For this you need straw pipes. You have to cut and you have to paste these pipes in this way and this wonderful swing is ready. Now let's proceed with this craft. So here I am going to make a pineapple. See, this is looking so beautiful. Now let's see what I'm going to create this time. For this I have drawn these eyes on the paper and I have taken a polythene glove and I'm going to paste it like this and this toy is ready. Now let's proceed with this craft. So you can use dried leaves for creating wonderful crafts. Like here I have used these dried leaves and I have pasted to create a beautiful craft. Now let's proceed with another craft. Here I have taken a bottle and ice cream sticks and I'm going to make a boat out of this. See the magic. Yes. So as I have said, you can use dried leaves for creating wonderful crafts. So here I have taken this dried leaf and this beautiful craft is ready. Now let's proceed with another craft. Here I have taken a floral print paper and I'm going to fold it like this. From all the sides you have to fold, then open it and fold it inward like this and from another side also, and this box is ready. Now let's proceed with another craft. Here I have taken a floral print paper and this gift box is ready. Now let's proceed with this craft. So for this I have taken a yellow color paper and now let's fold it in this way. You can use scissors for cutting. Now open this and this is ready.